going to show you how to add bookmark in Google Docs. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your browser first, and once you're in your browser, you just need to go to this website, docs.google.com. And after you're here, just open any of your file in which you want to add a bookmark. And after you decided that, you just need to look at the top left side where you can see options like File, Edit, View, Insert. Just go ahead and tap on Insert. So after you're here, you just need to look towards the bottom where you can see this option that says Bookmark right above Table of Contents. Just go ahead and tap here. You would notice there's a bookmark right here. Now you can just type anything you want, and there you go. That's how you add a bookmark in Google Docs. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.